What advice would you give to aspiring female engineers? I would say stick with it, be strong. You're really smart, even though you are in a male-dominated industry. It's really awesome to be in this field. Once you get into your career, there's so many inspiring women here to learn and grow from, and it's a really great place to be.
You just have to, you want to keep going, and you have to, and I promise your resilience will reward you in the end, no matter where you choose to take it.
You get that niche of other women that are just your friends, and I love it now because some of my closest friends, I work with them every day, and so it's really nice to have that bond.
So yeah, I think like just stick with it. Once you're working in the field, I think you'll find your purpose and get to work with really awesome people and inspiring people too.
Muller was a very small company back then. I was the 25th employee. We are way bigger than that now. I was the first female engineer. It didn't really faze me because I was the engineer just like everybody else, and we all did our work, and it was great work. So
that's a really great question. So my parents are actually from Africa, Zimbabwe to be specific, and you know, in Africa they just don't have any traffic control, right? So people are like, you know, safety is like a really like low priority for them, right? And so I think that prioritizing safety and creating like, even though albeit rudimentary, like creating some kind of system for them that works in terms of traffic control, and that's where I primarily want to give back to, I feel like.
I've had a number of projects over my 15 years that have been all females, and that has been so fun to work on Team Girl and have all women that are doing all of the design. And
share a moment when you felt particularly proud of your impact as an engineer. I felt really proud just this last week. We went to the grand opening of a park that Muller helped on, as well as a trail that I designed. It felt like a full circle moment to give back to the community that I was raised in.
That you're making a real impact in the community, and you're doing roadways and sidewalks and trails and things that you get to use every single day. Like, I live on a street that Muller did 20 years ago.
The thing I'm most proud of is to watch the younger engineers become engineers and do what they're made to do. I'll be done. I'll be fine in a second. My kids tease me though. This is always what happens. Yes. Yeah. Watching younger engineers develop and even pass me up is exciting.
Mm-hmm. What's your go-to engineering joke? Oh gosh.
Heck yeah.
Oh, this is really tough. I know, I don't have a good pun. Okay, new one. I should have prepared for that one.
Oh, yeah. I only got it. Okay. If you could have any superpower to aid in your engineering work, what would it be? Oh boy. My superpower to be the ability to push a button and make a change, and it's super fast and easy, and we can do our job like so efficiently.
You know, flying would also be pretty cool, you know, a nice site visit. No drones, just me out there.
So an imaginary sandbox that you can just like push around and form into the design that you want. Contours in the air. Ooh, that'd be cool. I don't know.
What do you love most about engineering? I really love, especially with water resources, that we really get to make a difference within our community.
Learning open roads designer, learning a lot of the modeling techniques from the roadway team and taking that over to the drainage team, that's been really exciting. Learning a lot of new things right now.
Even in a larger scale of being here at Muller, I'm able to create data to, you know, help people increase their quality of life.
Tap into your skills. Whoever you are, tap into your skills. Now I'm just leaking everywhere.
You know, like, it doesn't matter who you're working with. That's the really great thing about engineering, is that you just meet so many great people.
Okay, that's all my questions. I pulled out a lot of bad ones, I feel like.
No, don't forget.